Let's see. I got a crazy alarm that's going berserk. And I'm even on the phone with them, and they won't even do nothing and come get this out of my house. So, I'm just going to record everything and let y'all see how this thing goes bananas. And make this shit just go viral across Facebook. That's how I see it. So everybody will know how crazy this thing is. And so they'll never waste their money on it. So pretty soon, it should be beeping in a minute. And before then, it made this loud sirens noise. And then they tried to tell me that they did something. They were testing the system out. In which they wasn't even testing the system out. And stuff. They just wanted to say, see how it's going beeping again. In about 2 seconds, it'll do it again. And stuff. And they don't want to even get it out my house. And stuff. All they're telling me is that it's just going to keep doing this all night and day. Like, who really wants to hear this all night and day in their house because something wants to go bonkers? Like, all it's making me want to do is rip the panel off the wall. Yes, I am here.
Okay, so what I've been trying to do for you is I've been trying to acknowledge the alert on mine since you're not being able to click it on your panel. But like I said previously, since your account is overdue, it will not turn off. So yeah, you'd have to pay off the account to get the beeping. I believe it's 90 days. Yeah, it's 90 days overdue. So that's why the beeping will not cease.
So 90 days overdue, and I've been called previously before then to come get this out of my house. But y'all will not come get this thing out of my house. And all I keep saying is, I want it gone. Like, who the hell wants something that doesn't work? It didn't work when my door got kicked in. It didn't record. So, like, why do I want it? Why do I want to pay for something that does not work?
Yeah, so I totally get that. And I went to go and review that for you. And so I have here just, like, the actual event. So it looks, so we have that the door was broken and smashed in two. And the reason that the doorbell camera wasn't working is because it wasn't online. That's when we sent out the technician to go and check for you. Because the rep who took the actual event call, he was kind of looking into getting some conversations for you. But it looks like the reason why there wasn't any is because the system wasn't armed, and that's why the doorbell camera didn't work. And then the power outage, back to that whole power outage issue, the power outage kind of caused the Wi-Fi signal to go out, and the cameras couldn't connect online.
But when I called, I asked you then to come get the thing out of my house. So then it should have been gone.
Actual event?
On the day it happened, when my door got kicked in, I called and asked for it to be taken out of my house. The person, the tech, came out and looked at it, and nothing. He said that he would get back with me and have someone call me, but which no one ever did call or come out and get the thing.
Okay.
But which you said that when my door gets open, it should have recorded it. But which it didn't record it. So long as the door gets open, it should record.
Not unless it's offline. That's what I proceeded to ask. Is that because it was offline, it didn't record.
Okay, so how was it offline when it recorded prior to that? It recorded before that shit happened, and then it recorded after it happened. Now that's not even making sense.
Sorry?
That's not making no sense, because what you're telling me is it was offline, but it recorded before the incident happened, and then it recorded after the incident happened.
Yes, ma'am. So whenever there is a power outage.
See, the power outage happened like 2 weeks before this. It didn't happen the same day.
Okay, you didn't tell me that before, that it was 2 weeks before.
Yeah. And what I'm saying is it wasn't the same day or nothing, but it's still recorded prior to that, and it recorded after that. When the police and everything were at my house, it recorded the police. But it didn't record the incident. That makes no sense. If it can record prior to that and it can record after that, then something is wrong with your system and your system has a malfunction. And I don't feel that I should have to pay for something that is a piece of crap that doesn't work.
Yeah, and that's just back to what I was saying. Is you're saying it was malfunctioning equipment, but then I keep going back to saying it wasn't the equipment. And so that's what I've been checking for you, just to make sure we get this resolved. That way we kind of know where we're at. And I totally get that you're trying to get this system removed, and I totally get your frustration with that. And that's why I've been trying to help you out.
You're trying to say it's not the equipment when it recorded before the incident happened and it recorded after the incident happened. So how is it not the equipment when it didn't record the shit that happened? That makes no damn sense. Because all I'm understanding is that your equipment is some fucked up shit.
You haven't seen Steven? No, I've been looking everywhere. Is Sam looking?
Sorta. He's looking at a bowl of onion dip. Hey, did you find Steven in the onion dip?
No.
Don't sass me. Look, maybe Steven's not even
And it should be beeping right about now.
The meeting's not cheating.
Excuse me.
I don't like how they're trying to play me and say that it's not the equipment. Told you it should be beeping. When, if it recorded prior to that and recorded after that, then my guess, it would be the equipment. Do you understand what I'm saying, y'all? Like, it does not make no sense. There's no way in hell. Like, and then Vivid wants to make people keep this raggedy piece of crap for nothing. Like, who wants to pay for something that does not work? It makes no sense. And who wants to deal with this all freaking day and night? Oh, and then prior to this, it made this weird, loud siren sound and stuff. About to have the police and ambulance dispatched to my house, and they're trying to say that they were testing the system, which they wasn't testing the system because it just went off and did it itself. And just like my doorbell goes crazy and it rings when it wants to and everything, this damn system has a mind of its own and does whatever the hell it wants. So I'm just trying to let y'all know how crazy this system is, and it's supposed to be good. It's like, don't even waste your time with it. I'm kind of like mad that it's in my home and stuff because it's really, really annoying. And then it's really annoying that they're trying to make me buy this. And then it's really annoying because they won't even get it out of my house. Hello?
Hi, so I've gone over everything with you, and I've discussed everything I've had with you, and just kind of gone over the same information. I've updated some notes for you. What I can do for you, because you're looking to cancel, I have expedited this for you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get our customer loyalty department on the line. I know that's who you spoke with previously, but now that everything's gone through, you can just keep on talking with them. Beeping's not going to stop until the account is paid, and you're just not going to pay it, so the beeping will continue.
Nope, I'm not going to pay it. Only thing I'm going to do is end up ripping it out the wall.
Okay.
And then it's going to be outside in the snow with water damage. So it's either the best of luck is y'all to come get the damn thing, or it's just going to be outside in the snow.
Okay. Is it okay if I get our customer loyalty team on the line?
Yeah. And then all they keep doing is passing me around to one person, to another person, to another person. It's really, really annoying. And it was really annoying when, oh my god, the sirens thing went off. It went off like 2 times. And then some lady talked through the calm thing or whatever you want to call the bitch. And she asked me if there was any emergencies. But if they're testing the thing, why are you going to call me and ask me if there's any emergencies? Then they call my house phone and ask the same thing. Why I'm on the phone with the people? Like, hello? I'm on the phone with y'all. And I'm on the intercom with y'all. Like, really? That makes no sense. Like, none at all. Like, I'd be damned if I pay for this Raggedy Ann motherfucker. And all I want to do is just shove it up their ass, truthfully. So, yeah. I'm pretty frustrated. And this is what I have to keep dealing with and hearing. Mind you, I've been calling for about 4 months now. 4 months. It's pretty crazy that I can't even get nowhere and get them to come get the damn thing. Because all they do is just keep bouncing me around and bouncing me around. Then I find out that they started adding their own little things on the damn thing in the computer, saying that I said this and said that, which I never said any of it. Talking about I said that I didn't want them to come out here and get the damn thing. But you got records of me keep calling and calling. And I said I didn't want y'all to come get it. Hello, I want the retarded bitch out my house. Makes no sense. You see why I want the bitch out of my house? Some damn billet. Oh, and this is what it looks like. Like, what the hell? Let's see if we push X, what it'll do. Oh, that's what it does. Let's see. Is it gonna beep again? I'm doing horrible. I want this thing out of my house. It's annoying. It does what it wants. The thing goes crazy. It already just set alarm off and everything twice. My doorbell rings when it wants to. And when my house got broken into, it didn't record. But once the door gets open, it's automatically supposed to record. But it didn't record. It recorded everything previous to that, and it recorded everything after that, but didn't record the incident.
The first option is called a takeover option, which as your account manager here at Vivint, I do recommend. What that is, basically you just get a friend, family member, or even a stranger to take over the services. And then
Why would I have someone take over something that does not even work?
When you take, I'm sorry,
Why would I have someone take over something that is a piece of crap? Like, do y'all hear this? Oh my God. It's really been really funny because I've been recording this whole conversation and recording how this thing is going crazy, and it's going live on Facebook right now as we're speaking. And how, like, you want me to have someone take over something that does not even work. That makes no sense.
As I say before, if you feel like your system's not working, like I said, I could set up a tech visit with a fee waived, so that way you're not paying anything. And when we get a tech out there to check out your equipment, make sure everything's working right.
I just want it out of my house. That's what I want. And if you don't come get it out my house,